How to stop direct debit ABN AMRO. Open the ABN AMRO mobile banking app on your smartphone, or go to internet banking on your desktop. Log in using your identification method. This could be the ABN AMRO app itself, a DigiPass, fingerprint, or Face ID. On the app, tap Direct Debits. On desktop, you'll find it under Payments Greater than Authorized Direct Debits. Here, you'll see a list of all active direct debits linked to your account. Find the specific direct debit you want to stop. Tap on it to view full details, the company name, amount, frequency, and last transaction date. This is useful to make sure you're canceling the correct debit, especially if you have multiple active payments. Now, select Cancel Direct Debit or Revoke Authorization. Confirm your choice. Once done, ABN AMRO will immediately block future automatic withdrawals from that company. Any pending payments might still process, so consider contacting the merchant directly if needed. Thanks for watching.